Hello everybody, in this devlog I'm gonna show the implementation of one of the features of my game Too Far Too Late, the maintenance of damaged devices. Too Far Too Late is a colony simulation game. The main enemy is yourself, so you have to take care of everything to keep your base safe for the colonists. Every device of the base must be maintained to work properly. I added a reliability value that decreases over time and reduces the effectiveness of the devices. When the reliability of a device starts to get low, it will not work properly. For example, a pipe heater will start to heat more outside of the pipe than inside of the pipe. A solar panel will produce less energy, an air pump will be less efficient and use more power. This behavior of a device will be worse until the colonist repairs it. In the last devlog, I've shown the implementation of the pathfinding used by the colonists to find their way into the base. We were forcing the destination of the colonist using a marker placed on the map. Now, with this feature, the colonists will find their destination to repair or do maintenance of a damaged device. When a device's reliability is too low, a maintenance task is automatically created and assigned to one of the colonists. The colonist will do its part to the device and repair it. The lower the reliability is, the longer it takes to restore it. To see the reliability of a device, the player can inspect every device one by one to check its current value. But to make the problem more visible, I've implemented some particles effects so that the player immediately understands that something is going wrong with a specific device. An electrical device will produce sparks, a heating device can make flames, and an atmospheric device can show gas escaping from it. Unity provides a nice way to create particles effects. There are very good tutorials on the internet, and I've been trying different things to get a nice visual result. The particle editor shows you a preview so that you can make your best setting without having to run the game every time. You can define the emission of particles, their size, lifetime, colors, and many other parameters. Creating some sprite is also a good solution to generate better shapes for a fire effects, for instance. The generated shapes can be imported and randomly used by the particle effect. We can add more randomness to the effect by adding noise to the position, rotation, and size of the sprites. Also, another nice feature is to add light to the effect. For fire and flames, the light will add more intensity to the effect. Finally, some burst can be added to make the effect look more like an unexpected combustion than a fire camp. I've made many fire effects, tried different materials and kind of blending to get a nice effect. The effect is saved as a prefab that can be added to any device when the reliability is too low and triggered at the random interval. I've also been working on a few improvements in the UI, especially for the device window. Now, the windows can be resized to only keep important data visible. Some commands have been added to switch off a device manually, so now a whole system can be powered off by switching a transformer and then keep more energy in the batteries at night. I hope you enjoyed this devlog. I've tried to show a bit more technical content and I'm glad to see your comments and questions. Every suggestion is welcome. See you next time!